the decision of the government and the speaker to summon the assembly for 3 days on the 24th, 25th and 26th is basically murder of democracy. Anik ह्या 3 दिसांनी हे सेशन कालच्या दिसाक अनाउन्स केले इरोड्स डेमोक्रेसी कंप्लीटली. आमी जेन्ना बोवाळ केलो एज ऑपोजिशन की हे सेशनाक म्हाका दिसता मुखार दीस आमकां जाय म्हणून चड दीस जाय त्या वेळार स्पिकरान लास्ट सेशनाक सांगलेलें की दीस मायज मार्चाच्या म्हयन्याक जातले म्हणून. पूण दूख म्हाका जाता आज हो डिक्टेटोरियल सालाजाराचो सरकार ज्या पद्दतीन बिलां हाडपाचो प्रयत्न करता, डिस्कशन बंद करपाचे प्रयत्न करता, ऑपोजिशनाक टार्गेट करता, एक्टिविस्टाक टार्गेट करता. दिस इज बेसिकली अ डिक्टेटोरियल अप्रोच ऑफ दिस प्रमोद सावंत सरकार. The 9th session of this 8th Legislative Assembly म्हाका दिसता will create history because Governor's address is there. There is a budget session that is also presenting. Apparently, why is the government bulldozing with such laws that are not in the interest of the state, with bills that are brought? Intun म्हाका दिसता हो सरकार आज ऑपोजिशनाक भिलेले आहे with regards to the law and order situation, with regards to corruption, with regards to unemployment issues, with regards to tourism issues, with regards to several other issues जे आमचे फायनान्शियल क्रायसिस जाला in the state. हुंय ना हुंय हो सरकार हे लिपोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता because they have a brute majority. They are moving on with several things that is anti-Goa. Decisions are taken with regards to land convergence, with failing law and order situation, with activists now being arrested. सगळ्यां चोयल्यार म्हाका दिसता this double engine is trying to cover its failures. As a united opposition, we will definitely try to highlight things in the interest of the state. Whatever decision needs to be taken with this assembly session, we will together as opposition MLAs together decide on the next step. But हुंय ना हुंय म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत जो सालाजार गेलोलो, पुर्तुगेजा टायमार सालाजार शाही जाताली ती हुंय ना हुंय म्हाका दिसता आमचे रायट कटेल करपाक. आज बारीकशे प्रायवेट मेंबर्स रेझोल्युशनाचो दिसूय ना. हो आमदाराचो दीस जो फ्रायडेचो दीस जाता तो दिसूय तेमी कट केलोलो. सो हुंय ना हुंय म्हाका दिसता हो सरकार आज ऑपोजिशनाक भिलेले आहे. एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली together, although it was a 2-day session last time we exposed them, we will expose this government and their wrongdoings in the coming assembly session.